What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video when we post. Today we are about to go out and finally shoot this bad boy. So we're gonna get it all loaded up into the case here and load up the ammo and get going because we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go off-roading. We're gonna take the truck out today, go off-roading. I found a really cool spot, which you'll see here soon. And we're gonna finally get out and shoot this dang gun. So I'm gonna get it loaded up, get the ammo into the truck, get the truck warmed up, and we'll go out and do this. All right, guys, so I just stopped quick to fill up on diesel. Currently, we are looking at $3.39 a gallon. Not bad, not terrible. I've seen, like, I think the most common I've seen is about $3.19. So drop a comment down below what you guys are paying for diesel right now. Let me know. We also stopped to get some food here at Gateway. If you guys are local, I highly recommend checking this place out. Great food. Call ahead though, because the lines are pretty long. Check them out. Oh, and the reactions I'm getting out today are priceless. I'll put some in right here, and I was actually just recording, and this guy in this Fortune was just laughing at me. But yeah, I'll put some reactions that we're getting right here at the gas station. Nice welding rig, bro. So we just got here. It's a public shooting range and also like a motocross track or something, like an off-road little area. It's pretty cool. Definitely gonna get a quad or a dirt bike this summer to come out here and rip. Saw a couple cool trucks too on the way in. We're just gonna chill right here, eat our food real quick, and then go do some fun stuff. It's a bumpy one. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's cool. You can get to the freaking river from right there.
Oh god. They're submitting.
The bump is real. check out my sick 1500.
Gasser, bro.
Bro.
Oh, he is. Please shut your door.
Look at my sweet 1500. Let me get some photos.
Is it flying away?
Yeah, bro. So, found a spot by the water. Pretty dope. Always got to stop here and get photos for Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram. It's the same as the channel, Never Satisfied 24 views. Always a link down below in the description. But she's looking pretty. The spot's dope, by the way, so far. You guys gotta check it out if you're in the area.
I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest, and I'm never gonna rest. Yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
Bumpy rad. Yeah, that's one of those new Ford Rangers. So we just went in to the shooting range, and we have about an hour to shoot, so we're gonna hold off until Tuesday and come back and shoot, so we'll pick the video up then. Survey says 7,480 pounds.
She a big bitch.
Hannah is thick.
Fat Hannah.
Fat Hannah. Alright guys, so we did end up going shooting because life got busy, like normal, and as you can see, we ended up having the baby shower this weekend, and we actually just went in this morning for her 23 week anatomy scan, because she had to go in again because the first time the baby was being really stubborn. She does not like her face being shown. She kept covering it, which is pretty funny, but everything's well. Baby's healthy. She's doing well. But I appreciate all you guys' support and all the comments I've gotten from you guys. It means a lot to us. We really appreciate it. Had a lot of fun in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Next video is going to be a really fun one. We had a rental, which you guys will see in next video, so make sure to tune in for that one. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any uploads, especially next one. It's going to be fun, I'm telling you right now. She had a lot of fun driving the vehicle. I had a lot of fun with it. Probably gonna have to get one of these vehicles because it was so much fun. So make sure you tune in for next video. Drop your comments if you have any comments down below. I'm gonna get back to you, and we'll see you in the next upload. I don't know why I said 25 weeks. Yeah, it's another week away. Get your toy. Get your toy.